In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sound effects in CapCut PC. To get started, move your mouse up to the top left corner of the CapCut interface and click on the Audio tab. This is where CapCut keeps all of its audio resources in one place. Once the audio panel opens, look over to the menu column on the far left side and click on the folder labeled Sound Effects. This opens up CapCut's built-in library of royalty-free sound cues, which is incredibly useful when you want to enhance your edits without needing to import outside audio. After that, head to the search bar at the top of the panel. This is the fastest way to find exactly what you need, especially if you already know the kind of sound you want to add. Click into the search bar, type a specific keyword such as click or transition, and then press Enter on your keyboard. CapCut will then generate a full set of matching sound effects for that search term, making it much easier to narrow down the options instead of scrolling through the entire library. Before adding anything to your project, it's a good idea to preview the sound first so you can make sure it fits the timing and style of your video. To do that, hover your mouse over the sound effect card and click the small play icon. CapCut will let you hear it instantly, which is perfect for quickly testing multiple options until you find the right audio accent. Once you've found the sound effect you want to use, click the blue plus sign icon on that sound card. CapCut will immediately place the sound effect onto your timeline as a new blue audio clip. From there, click and drag that blue audio block horizontally across the timeline. Your goal is to position it directly beneath the exact moment where the action happens in your video, whether that's a visual transition, a cursor movement, or any other on-screen change you want to emphasize. This part is important because even a great sound effect can feel off if it's not placed at the right frame. So take a second to line it up carefully for the best result. With just a few quick clicks, you can search CapCut's built-in sound library, preview effects, add them to your timeline, and place them with precision. You're all set. And that's how to add sound effects in CapCut PC.